Hey guys, this is Hannah from Off the Hook Fishing, and today I'm going to be showing you how to Texas rig. Stay tuned. What's a Texas rig? Well, a Texas rig is a weighted lure. Okay, so the lure, you can use something like this. You put a weight up at the top, a hook, put your lure on the hook, and you've got a Texas rig. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, first off, you're going to need your rod, and you're going to need the string free at the end so you can put your rig on. Okay, so grab the string at the end of your rod, grab your weight. Now you can use any really size of weight, but this is what I'm going to be using today. I've used bigger weights in the past as well. So you put the string through the top of the weight, like so, pull it through, okay, and you let that fall. And now you grab your hook. This is the size hook I'm going to be using. And you can use bigger hooks for bigger lures. I still had some left over, so I'm going to cut that off. Put it through the eye. Twist it. Okay? And grab your choice of lure. You can use something like this. You can use a worm. In this case, I'm going to be using this skeet reese bug. And you're just gonna start from the top where the legs are hanging down like that. You're gonna go through the top, come up with it, go about a half an inch in there, poke up, bring through like that. You're gonna pull it all the way through. And now with the hook like this, you're gonna turn it all the way around where it's like that against the belly. You're gonna grab your bait and bend it in to where the hook comes out through the top. Grab the bait and pull it over the hook. There we go. See, now that hook is hidden, it won't catch on as many weeds and stuff like that. Okay? That is pretty much it. You need to straighten it to make it a little bit more straight like that. And this is pretty much how it should look. Like I said, the weight goes up at the top. The hook is through the lure and it's hidden. You always want a hidden hook so your your hook doesn't catch on to weeds and stuff like that. Okay? The weight should fall right above the hook and the lure. And this is your Texas rig.